If you want to get consistent course sales every day, you should have a sales funnel. A sales funnel is a series of steps you create to take your students one step closer to that course purchase. You do this by creating the steps to overcome their inhibitions, building their trust, and finally making them your loyal influencers. Hi, I'm Vaishak from Learnyst, and in this video, I will share with you 4 steps to build a sales funnel and to get consistent course sales. So here is step number 1, which is to create awareness. The goal of this step is to let your students know that you exist. Start by asking yourself, what can I do to make students aware of my course?
The easiest way to do this is to link your website to your blogs, YouTube videos, social media channels, and affiliate sites. This way, students get to know about you and your website. You can do a keyword analysis to optimize your website for student search terms. Use these search terms in your course content, videos, blogs, and marketing campaigns. Next, go to the sites like Quora or Facebook groups and answer student questions. Give them solutions and leave a link to your website. Add your website link in social media handles, especially in YouTube channel descriptions and Facebook pages.
Step number 2, create interest. Now that students are on your website, your goal should be to build a trust with them and to make them sign up to your website.
You can do this by painting a story of student benefits and solutions on your website. List all your courses. Make it complete with images, titles, syllabus, and pricing details. Also, add testimonials, success case studies, FAQs to build their trust. Attract them with a free course, PDF guides, or anything that solves their problem. This helps them trust your brand and sign up to your website.
Step number 3, create a desire. Now that students trust you, your goal is to build on this trust and to create a desire in them to buy your courses.
Here are a few ways you can build trust using a 5-step email series. Email number 1, interact with your students. Tell them what problem you can help them solve. Ask specific questions about what this problem means to them and what they want to achieve by solving it. Email number 2, share valuable insights. In this email, share insights like a blog or article that solves a problem you mentioned in the previous email. This establishes your authority and instills trust in your students. Email number 3, reveal your solution. Now that students see you as an expert, remind them that the solution to their problem lies in your course. Paint a clear picture of how their lives can be bettered by your course. Email number 4, overcome objections. Use this email to address their objections and reasons why they think they can't buy your course. This makes your students ready even before you start selling your courses. Email number 5, sell your courses. Here are a few ways to do this. You can invite them to your live webinar, address their questions, and sell your courses with an exclusive time-bound discount at the end of the webinar. You can offer 5 to 10 free lessons in your paid course. If they find it compelling, they can purchase the course right there. You can also create exclusive course offers or discounts.
Just to let you know, you can do all these activities from your Learnyst account. Step number 4, propel your learners to take constructive action. The goal of this step is to encourage your students to spread the positive word of mouth about your course through course reviews and testimonials.
In Learnyst, the refer and earn feature will help you reward your students to take action. Reward your students with credits every time their referrals signs up or purchases your course.
So with this, we have covered all the 4 steps you need to create a sales funnel and get consistent course sales. Now, here are 2 bonus tips to help you boost your course sales conversions.
The first step is to use a tool called hellobar to capture student emails. Copy the script of the hellobar and paste it under the marketing app integration section in your Learnyst admin panel. This will activate the plugin and you can then give away resources like PDFs using pop-ups to your website visitors. This will drastically improve your email listing. Another useful tool is the provesource. This plugin shows which all students or visitors has signed up or purchased your course recently as a small pop-up on the bottom of your website. When a visitor sees that others have purchased your course, they feel encouraged to buy or sign up. You can install this plugin the same way as the hellobar plugin.
So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If you found this video useful, do give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get more such notifications on course creation and marketing. To start your own online academy, do click the sign up link in the description of this video. So until next time, see you, take care.